If you're in Southern California, you know how hot it's been lately. It is cooking. It feels like summer. But yesterday in stories, I asked you guys if you'd be interested about hearing about that app that I've recently found for my meal prepping. And I have found it so useful, and I want to scream it from the rooftops and share with everybody because I think it's a total game changer. What I used to do was I used to plan for dinners a week in advance, and I used to go to the grocery store, get whatever we needed for those dinners, and then when the day comes, I would look on the menu, see what's cooking that night, and then make it because I had all the stuff already. But it was such a hard task for me to find those recipes, then make a list of what was needed, and I wanted to streamline some things. So I may have been living under a rock, and you guys might know about this app already, but I didn't, and I wish I came across this app way sooner. So I thought, well, let me share it with you guys and walk you through how it works. It is called Whisk, and it's a free app. It has a social element to it, which you can participate if you wish, but it pretty much just streamlines your meal planning for the week or a month. You can plan out as far as you need to, and it generates a grocery list for you, and it's so easy to use. So I'm going to show you guys how to use it quick. By meal prepping or planning ahead, I feel like you eat a lot healthier. So this is the app that I've downloaded. It's called Whisk, and when you open it up, you will see the social element to it, which you can participate, like I said, but it's not really necessary. You can also search for recipes, but this is where I love this app, and it's in the planner. Okay, this is where I plan meals or dinners for a week, and it's pretty simple. You're just going to tap on the day, and you're going to add a recipe. And the best way that I find to do this is you just open up your Pinterest board, and I don't know if I'm the only one, but I have a ton of recipes saved to Pinterest that I hope to make one day. So all I'm going to do is I'm going to select a recipe. I'm going to open it up, and then I'm going to press the three buttons in the top right corner and open it up in browser, and I'll show you why you do that. Because of this icon over here. This icon allows you to import that recipe into Whisk. You're going to tap on that icon, and you're going to scroll to Whisk, and you're going to select it to be sent to Whisk, and Whisk automatically loads that recipe into its app, and you say save recipe. Now you go back into your Whisk app, and you go to your day, and because now it's saved into the Whisk app, you can just pull in the recipe from your saved recipe tab. So you can go here, and this is where all of my saved recipes are, and all you gotta do is tap on the recipe, add that recipe to that day, and then you'll go and do that for Monday, Tuesday. So let's just do it for one more day, and you're gonna have this one over here, and you're gonna add it. Okay, so now you have an idea of what you plan to cook for 7 days, right? But now you need to go to the grocery store. So now you're going to click on that recipe, and you'll see that it lists all what you need for that recipe, and you're going to select add to, and you're going to select add to shopping list. Now it brings up a window that allows you to uncheck the items that you already have and leave the items that you don't have checked. And then you add those items to your grocery list. So now you press the back button, and you go to the next one, and you do the same thing. You add to shopping list, you deselect things that you have and keep the ones that you don't have selected. And then you add that to shopping list. And then you go back, and then here in the bottom right hand corner, you'll have your lists. So now this is my shopping list that I can actually take with me to the store. If I have this app on my phone, then it will obviously be easier walking around than the iPad, but this is pretty much what it's going to look like on your phone. Once you find that item in the store, you can check it off. Once it's checked, it goes to the bottom of your screen. But what's a cool thing too is that I can share this grocery list with my husband, because sometimes he does the grocery shopping. So if he has the app on his phone, then this grocery list is shared with him, and he can check the items off that he was able to get that day, and it will end up at the bottom too, and leave the ones that he wasn't able to get that I may get the following day or whenever I go to the store. So that way, when you come to cooking dinner, you can just look on the menu, see what you need to cook for that day, and you have all the items in your fridge already. And I find that if you do this, you end up eating healthier. So I find this so useful, and that's why I wanted to share it with you guys. So let me know what you think, and hope you find it as useful as I did.